Hi, hello, welcome back to Kitten Creatives. In this video, we are going to learn how to paint a beautiful Plumeria flower. First, lightly sketch the flower outline using any pencil. Now, I'm taking a flat brush for painting. If you want, you can also use a round one. Take these colors in the palette: grey, titanium white, yellow deep, and orange. Now, start painting the petals. Apply grey on the top edge, titanium white in the middle, and a deep yellow with a touch of orange on the inner corner. And here you need to blend all the colors softly using gentle strokes. The Plumeria flower comes in many vibrant shades and different color combinations, but today we are painting the soft white shade one. So to achieve a natural and realistic look, you should keep the shades slightly overlapping. While doing this, just trust the blending process. The shades will look so beautiful and more natural. All the flower petals need not be the same. In fact, if there's a difference in the petals, it makes the flower look more realistic. So don't worry if the petals look different from each other. Can you see that shade, the color blend? Everything started looking so natural already. At times, just dip the brush in water if needed, which makes the blending easier and smoother. The output of the entire painting depends on how smoothly you blend the colors. So to achieve a smoother blending, you need this kind of techniques. Also, just repeat the same technique for all the remaining petals and flowers. Observe carefully how am I doing it so that it will be easy for you to understand the process and try it on. To get that soft plumeria effect, blending is the key. You should blend all the shades in such a way that they look so real and natural. Repeat the process as you did for the previous flower. Grey on the top edge, titanium white in the middle, and a yellow deep with a mix of orange in the inner corner. And I'm saying it again, every petal need not look similar. You take a real flower, just look at the petals. Each one looks different from another. They are just natural, and we should bring that natural effect here. The flowers are completed. Now paint the bud using the same colors. Give a smooth blend to all the shades. Now it's time to paint the leaves and stems. For that, take two colors, sap green and titanium white. Mix them well to create a soft, realistic shade. Just smoothly blend the colors. Give smooth strokes around the flowers while painting the leaves. And this is how the leaves and stems should look. Eventually, take a zero-size round brush for outlining and detailing, which gives an enhanced look to the painting. All the details of the material used for this painting are given in the description. Please go check them out. And finally, the beautiful Plumeria flower is ready. Just look at the finishing, so natural and realistic. I hope you all like this video. Please let me know in the comment section. Your suggestions are treasure to us. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more tutorial videos like this, stay tuned to Kitten Creatives.